Hey guys, Tone Fernandez with your social media lead generation tips, helping social media marketers like you get ahead on social media. Today, guys, we're going to be discussing Facebook ads. Are they effective? Should I use them? And why should I use them? Many people are asking me questions online in regards to Facebook ads, and today I decided just to do a quick video discussing that. But before we get started, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we post videos just like this. All right, so let's get started. What are Facebook ads? Facebook ads basically allow you to take a post that you have on a business page on Facebook and broadcast that post and show that post in front of thousands of people. You can actually dictate how many people can see that post based off the budget that you have on Facebook, and you can strategically pinpoint who you want who you want to see that specific ad. So I'm going to go over some benefits. Benefit number one: they're highly effective. What I mean by that is, depending on your campaign, whether it be you're trying to get somebody to visit your website, you're trying to get a lead. Maybe you're trying to get more followers. Maybe you're trying to get more people to view your videos. Whatever your main purpose is on social media, Facebook is very effective. Facebook ads are very effective in getting you a result, which is really, really good. And once you get a result, you can tweak it to increase those results as you go along. The second one, they're pretty easy and simple to process and to do. In order for you to do a Facebook ad, you don't need to have like a degree in any type of computer engineering or anything like that. The step-by-step instructions on Facebook are pretty easy for you to go online and set up your first ad. Now, do I recommend you learning some things beforehand? Yes, the setting up process is easy. It's just making sure that you have the right ad where you would need somebody like me or somebody maybe like a marketing company to help you out. So that's an important part of the process right there. The third one is, you can reach an ideal audience. Now, what I mean by ideal audience, Facebook collects so much data on us. They know so much about us. Well, the good thing about Facebook ads is when you're running an ad, you can specifically put who you want to see that post based off interests, based off age, based off gender, based off marital status. The list goes on and on and on. So if you have an ideal client that typically buys your product, based off the Facebook targeting process, you can pinpoint and only have those people view your ads on Facebook. And then the other thing is, the Facebook ads and campaigns are highly customizable. So depending on what you want, if you want brand awareness, if you just want reach, just to reach a bunch of people, website traffic, if you want engagement, if you want somebody to install your app, if you want video views, if you want conversions, if you want leads, if you want catalog sales, if you want store traffic, there's so many different customizable templates that you can use on Facebook in order for your desired result. So you don't have to worry about manipulating the actual ad yourself as far as the purpose. Each different type of ad has a specific purpose involved in that. And number five, Facebook is adding new features almost every month. There's always an update based off the needs of the clients and based off something that they see that can help business owners like you and I get in front of the right audience in the market. So in my opinion, I highly recommend everybody at least have one ad out there, and it could be for different reasons. And I'll give you an example. My specific first ad wasn't just to sell people, because I understood that people want value before they're sold. So I used my Facebook ad to do a giveaway. And what I did was, I targeted a specific audience, specific age, and I knew what they wanted. And what I did is, I created something for them where they can download easily. When I did that, I started to see an increase in my website traffic and my downloads, and I started seeing an increase in the audience that I had. The great thing about that is, all the people who did click on my ad, I'm able to retarget them on a separate ad. Now, if you think about that philosophy, is I gave them something for free in our first encounter. Now I can retarget those people who clicked on my ad with an offer, and what ends up happening is their guard should be down because they've seen that I gave them something away for free. So the cool thing about Facebook ads is you can manipulate them in whatever way you want. And for me, I use it just to gain trust with people. And now, just to fast forward and kind of give you an example, I use it to generate leads for my business. So hope that was helpful. I'll be getting into more videos like this in regards to Facebook ads and giving you kind of the basics. But if you're a social media marketer and you're looking for more content and then some more ideas to post on social media, I have a free training for you. It's 10 days of leads. For 10 days, each day I'll send you a different type of post, a different type of content strategy for you to start generating leads on social media. So go ahead, click on the link in the description area, type in your name and email, and I'll go ahead and send that over. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you get notified every time we post videos like this. See you guys.